Bazadebo, where your parents are, who took you to school, when they see you coughing out shit, when they see you just, instead of using your brain, instead of using your forehead to think, you just think from the back. Fellow Ugandans, we went to the court. We knew all what. For mulimu gwaffe tuliwo kulabisa. Fe omulimu gwaffe tuliwo kulabisa. Kati you came out and you say plan B. Oyo besije wamwe yamanyi plan B. Fe plan yaffe, our plan, our main plan is to take out Museveni from power by using all means available. I repeat, Honorable Kyagulanyi, His Excellency, the President-elect, doesn't have any alternative plan. The only plan is to use all venues, but first using the law. Should you guys show us that the law does not exist in Uganda, because we are going to use all venues. So now, should you show us that even the judges can be, imagine, you don't even give time to the lawyers, to Museveni's lawyers, to okwogera okubako chibogera. Where you have become a lawyer, that is, you have become a lawyer, you are the judge, that is a kangaroo court. That is a clear kangaroo court. That's why even Judge Guti, he can be happy to attend someone who is not a military person. Nga segirinya bayabagambye nti Judge Guti kati nebo nayomba ne mukazi wo bajja mukuletera. Ugandans, lwaki naddala mmwe mukkiriza Museveni abakozesa ebintu nga bino? Kyemugamba temuyina maaso. Kyemugamba Museveni asobola okukeera ku makya n'abagamba mwebake n'obwana bwammwe obw'emyaka 2. Judge Winnie Dollo, can Museveni tell you to sleep with your 2-year-old child? Can you do that? So if you can't, then come out to the court and swallow the pin and you say, I'm out of this. Don't intimidate us, because we've been intimidated for long. We've been intimidated. Honorable Kyagulanyi, His Excellency, President-elect, was intimidated. Mumukozesezaako all sorts of intimidation. Mukedde kumacha musibyeke mundu that he has got guns. Instead, okulaba ebintu ngebyo as a judge. By the way, Judge Winnie Dollo, I don't know whether you still have Google in Uganda. Just Google who is a judge. Because that my lord title you are holding, it is a title that is given to someone who is respectable. Or it is a way how to address a judge. It doesn't mean that if they call you my lord, then you are Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Never. It doesn't mean that when they call you judge, then you are close to Jesus Christ or Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You are none other than a blood clot. You are none other than a sperm clot. You are none other than. You are none other than. You can go to toilet. When you go to toilet, even if you open up outside, oyinza okubanga ogenda ne mu toilet n'oteenaaza n'otambula ne B. Oyinza okubanga ogenda ne mu toilet n'otanaaba na musulo ng'otambula nago mu underwear yo. Let's hope you wear an underwear. Gega nagasajja ge mutusibyeko. Mbu you can charge, you can whatever, determine the fate of Uganda. Gwe gwatasobola na kugenda mu toilet n'otawaaza. What kind of a judge are you? So, where are they heading mu Uganda? Kubanga wano mbadde addressing oyo Winnie Dollo yesirwaza. Wano weba heading because Museveni all along wants to see Kyagulanyi azzaako ki. Wano mu Uganda wenjagala sharing video eno. Museveni wants to see what, because he has been provoking us. Nabagambye waneggulo ne mbagamba nti yakwata abaana ekalangala. He's been provoking us, committing mistakes after mistakes. Kubanga he is a master of violence as he thinks. He thinks we can tusobola okuvaayo. Kyagulanyi is very, very clever. Agenda kusooka aba studying. Naye the day Kyagulanyi will announce what next. Mwe mwena mujja kwefukira. mwena mugenda kera kumacha mugambe nti eno Uganda yaffe eno Uganda mwetubeera mwena bajaji bunye Dollo mugenda kudduka mu Uganda. Kyagulanyi is a very brave man. He's going to sit down and watch. Mwena muna intimidating aba Sseggona nebe muna intimidating abani. This time we came to fight. And we know who we are fighting with. We know who we are fighting with. Twa studying Museveni since the 60s up until now. So you are not going to intimidate us. We knew the fate of this case. We knew we cannot get anything. We knew tuchimanyi mwena bakolera Museveni. We know all of you from the vice president to anybody here. Tuchimanyi Museveni wabatuusa abatwala mu state house ne mutandika okunyonka amaberege. Ne mutandika okubeereyo ayina Museveni byabawa. That's why all of you Museveni cadres, you have the same thinking. Every time mulinganga ababeera ku rehearsal. Every time you come out to present something, you have the same thinking and you are not afraid of talking and acting stupid in front of the public. You are not afraid. You are not. What Byabakama was saying is what you, owiny Dollo, you are saying. What you are saying is Judge Chibita. That's what he's going to say. What you are saying, that 9, the 8 of you, kubanga he goes nabari hasoringa, talk like this, talk stupid, act stupid. That's why you end up not having your brain. Kati gwe jaji mwena abali oko mujja genda okulaba ngencha mukutembwa ngencha mukutente nga mutambudde obwerere because you have decided to sell your soul. It is very painful bana Uganda, but it's not yet painful because His Excellency Kyagulanyi, they are provoking him. Bam provoking bagala kumanya Kyezizaako. We are going to follow you up until the last, because we know for sure tewali koti sobola gana bujulizi, because ekirezawo koti, ekireza judge, ekirezawo barrister, ekireta director of public prosecution, ekireta everybody is to determine, to weigh the evidence. Is it enough? It is the evidence that determines the case. Omuntu abera n'obujulizi nga buli transparent, nga buli justifiable, ya winning a case. If why Museveni yekyaleta, why everything that Museveni has brought, why you don't want to go into it? Lwaki mwagala? Because now mwagala musango gusinge Kyagulanyi aliyirire Electoral Commission, Kyagulanyi aliyirire Museveni, Kyagulanyi aliyirire Director of Public Prosecution ne IGG ne Inspector General, whatever you. That's what you are driving at.